drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. No. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little piece. That was actually yesterday morning. This morning I woke up and I'm extremely sore, so that's fun. The hurricane is still off the coast, which is a good thing. Looks like it should be here a little bit later on today. We'll see how that plays out. It's supposed to be staying pretty well off coast, so who knows. We got a few little branches and whatnot in my yard so far. Nothing too crazy. I'll show you. We'll see what this thing does. I'm not expecting a whole lot out of it. We've had way worse. But whatever it is, we'll be ready. A lot of times we get power lines knocked down around here. There's a lot of trees. So if that happens, we'll lose power for a little while. There again, we're ready. We've got the generator. So yeah, we'll be fine. Other than that, today I plan on finishing this video, obviously, and I'll get it uploaded. Probably don't think I'll go live again today. We'll see. If the hurricane ends up passing, then I'll probably see what kind of footage I can get, if everything's okay. If anybody loses trees down in their yard or anything like that, I'll end up trying to help them out just around the neighborhood, that kind of thing. And if it passes, I may end up going out to the water, checking things out there, see what it looks like. Oh, be sure to stick around to the end. I've got a pretty cool time lapse from last night, yesterday of an evening, of the clouds and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the little bell notification thingy. Yep, that warms my heart. Yeah, you can hear it. That wind's starting to pick up. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I've got the windsock on this thing. Yeah, hopefully everything goes back to normal here real soon. It is very tiring waiting on a hurricane. Even whenever they say that it's, gonna stay off the coast, it's still, you never know. So that gets pretty annoying. And I think everybody here in Florida is just ready for it to be over. Ready for it to move on, do its thing elsewhere. Just go back out to the ocean and be gone. I feel like I should have more energy right now. I'm just so tired. Yeah, let's try this with a little bit of energy. What's happening, guys? I am super excited about this hurricane. I cannot wait for it to get here. The wind is gonna be blowing. It's gonna be so awesome. And you're gonna get to be here with me. Yes! Trees might come down, electricity might go away. I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll find out together. And if you look right here, there's a car. Whee! What the hell is wrong with me? I'll be keeping you guys posted. We'll see what happens with this thing. Who knows? I don't know. If any of y'all know, let me know. I'm gonna go in there, throw this thing together, and we will go from there. You guys are the best. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the bell, subscribe if you haven't already, and well, we'll just keep this thing going. You have a good day.